You'll get many more doubts, and then you're going to discuss all your doubts from here, okay, from PDF. Now, with this, is my voice audible to you all? Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. Let us begin. Question number C now. Now, see. So, in the last class, I had given you a few formula. Now, today in this particular class, we are going to use one formula, and the formula is limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a equals to n into a to the power n minus 1. Okay, this is the formula. So I had given in the last class. Today we are going to see the application of these formulas. Okay, but before starting the application of this formula, let me tell you one thing. I know that there are many students who might be thinking that why I did not explain you the derivation of this formula. See, because in order to explain you the derivation of this formula, you need to know one chapter, and that is binomial theorem. Okay, without knowing binomial theorem chapter, you will not be able to understand the derivation of this particular formula. So let us leave that and directly let us apply this particular formula. So I'm going to take one example, just note down. Suppose we have limit x tends to 2, x to the power suppose 5 minus 32 divided by x minus 2. Let us take this sum. Suppose if I put the value of x equals to 2 here, what is 2 to the power 5? 2 to the power 5 is how much? 32. 32 minus 32 is how much? 0. By 2 minus 2 is 0. You are getting 0 by 0 form. So as you are getting 0 by 0 form in this particular case, you know that in the last class, I had explained you that in every question, your first and foremost objective should be to check whether it is in the form 0 by 0 or not. If it is not in the form 0 by 0, you are simply going to put the value, and the answer which you get is the answer. The value which you get is the answer. But if it is in the form 0 by 0, do you remember in the last class, I had explained that you have to solve it by either formula method or by factorization method, or we rationalize, and the fourth option was substitution method. These were the four options using which we can solve if it is of the form 0 by 0. And 0 by 0 is called what? Indeterminate form. So we are finding that it is 0 by 0 form. And you remember last day I had explained that we are getting 0 by 0 because when we are putting x equals to 2. See, when we are putting x equals to 2, we are getting 0 by 0 form. It means that to eliminate 0 by 0 form, we have to cancel x minus 2 both in the numerator as well as in the denominator. I repeat, to eliminate this 0 by 0 form, we have to cancel x minus 2 both in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay? So, how to apply the formula? Just note down, everyone. In order to apply this formula, okay, there are many things which you have to keep in mind. There are few things you have to keep in mind. What are those? See, x, x, x. मतलब x तीनों जगह सेम होना चाहिए. मतलब यहाँ पे अगर x है तो यहाँ भी x और यहाँ भी x होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे x tends to a है तो यहाँ भी a होना चाहिए और यहाँ भी a होना चाहिए. Clear everyone? मतलब ये तीन जगह सेम होना चाहिए. ये एक दो तीन जगह सेम होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे बीच में माइनस साइन ही होना चाहिए. what sign should be here in between? X to the power n and a to the power n? Minus sign only, not plus sign. Make sure everyone. And the power of x and the power of a should be equal. मतलब ये दोनों का पावर जो है वो इक्वल होना पड़ेगा. तब जाके हम लोग ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. फिर से एक बार ध्यान देना. x x x तीन जगह सेम होना चाहिए. तीन चीज. उसके बाद टेंस टू के राइट में जो चीज है जैसे a, ये तीनों जगह सेम होना चाहिए. यहाँ माइनस और दोनों का पावर सेम होना चाहिए. You can see in another way that if I ignore the power, okay, just see, if I ignore the power, tell me what is left. It is x minus a. This x minus a should be present here in the denominator. I repeat, इफ आई इग्नोर n, जस्ट नोट डाउन, अगर मैं n को हटा दूं तो न्यूमरेटर में क्या बचा बताओ तो x माइनस ए. दिस x माइनस ए शुड बी प्रेजेंट इन द डिनोमिनेटर, मेक श्योर एवरीवन. तब जाके हम ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ आई सी दिस, आई कैन राइट 32 एज 2 to the power 5. Clear? I can write 32 as 2 to the power 5. Is this clear? Now just see, ये particular formula, ये जो particular sum है, ये इसका left hand side से match कर रहा है, देखो. Now if you try to compare this, see, x tends to क्या 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Please keep your mobile device in mute mode. Who is this? Mute your device. Please, one of you just. Who is this? See, so we find that x tends to a, you have x tends to a, so a should be present at 3 places. See, 1, 2, 3. X tends to 2, see, 2 should be present at 3 places, that is 1, 2 and 3. Clear? The power of x and the power of 2 should be same. There should be minus n in between, okay? Now we can apply the formula, and the formula is n, that is 5, into a to the power, that is 2 to the power n minus 1. So we have 5 into 2 to the power 4, that is 5 into 16, which is how much? 80. See, here in this case, if you start factorizing and obtain x minus 2, it will be very, very difficult. Are you understanding? If you start factorizing this expression to get x minus 2, it is possible, but it becomes very lengthy. इसको निकालने का, फैक्टराइज करने का तरीका क्या है? You can divide this expression by x minus 2, but it will become very lengthy. So that's why it is better, it is convenient to apply this formula. Okay, I'll show you one more sum so that it is more clear to you. Suppose you have x tends to 3, suppose x cube minus 27 by x minus 3. If I put the value of x equals to 3 here, what is 3 to the power 3? It is 27. What is 27 minus 27? It is 0. By 3 minus 3 is 0. You are getting 0 by 0 form. So as you are getting 0 by 0 form, okay, you are getting 0 by 0 form because when we are putting x equals to 3, both in the numerator as well as denominator, we are getting 0 by 0 form. It means to eliminate the 0 by 0 form, we have to cancel this factor x minus 3. Clear? But just tell me one thing. Instead of factorizing and cancelling this factor, it is better to apply this formula. Okay, just note down. It is better to apply this formula. How? We can write 27 as 3 cube because 3 to the power 3 is what? 27. Now just note down. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Then 1, 2, 3. Just see. X at 3 places and then see x tends to 3. You have x tends to 3 and this is all same at 3 places. Just note down 3, 3, 3. You have minus n in between. Clear? And the power of x and the power of a is equal. Just note down the power of x and the power of a is equal. If it is equal, we can apply the formula. And what is the formula? It is n, that is 3 into a to the power n minus 1. What is the answer? 27. Is this clear? And I explain you that if you ignore this power, okay, if you ignore this power part, x ka power and a ka power, what expression is left in the numerator? X minus a. That should be present in the denominator. देखो अगर मैं इसको पावर को हटा दूं तो क्या बचा है? x minus 3. x minus 3 डिनोमिनेटर में है. Yes. It means that we can apply this formula. n यहाँ पे क्या है? 3 है. a यहाँ पे क्या है? 3 है. So what is the formula? n, that is 3, a to the power n minus 1. Simplify everyone and copy both these examples. Okay, copy them fast. Now after copying these two sums, okay, everyone is going to solve question number C का number C का question number 2, then number 4, 2 and 4, only two sums. Okay, do sum number 2 and 4. Hurry up. And make sure that फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के लिए माइनस साइन होना चाहिए बीच में, याद रखना, प्लस साइन नहीं होना चाहिए. ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के लिए यहाँ पे माइनस साइन होना चाहिए. इज दिस क्लियर? सॉल्व एवरीवन क्वेश्चन नंबर सी का नंबर 2 एंड नंबर 4. One, 2 and 4. Okay, 1, 2 and 4. These three sums. See, we can factorize, but we are not following factorization method. You can solve this sum by factorization method also, but formula method is more easier than the factorization method. Okay, so if you can express that particular expression, that particular function in this form, you can directly apply the formula. So in number 1, just try once. What is number 1? Have you done number 1, everyone? What is the answer? What is the answer? Tell. Now, जिनको समझ में नहीं आया एक बार यहाँ पे देख लेना. See and make sure that last day मैंने जो बोला था कि पहले सबसे पहला चीज you must always check whether it is in the form 0 by 0 or not. You must do in every sum. Make sure. So if I put the value of x equals to 5, 5 ka square is 25, 25 minus 25 is 0, by 5 minus 5 is 0. You are getting 0 by 0 form. To eliminate 0 by 0 form, you have to eliminate x minus 5. But instead of eliminating x minus 5, I am following formula method. Clear? Instead of factorizing and cancelling x minus 5, मैं कौन सा method follow कर रहा हूँ? मैं formula method follow कर रहा हूँ. You can follow factorization method also. Just note down. You can write 25 as 5 square and apply a square minus b square formula also, which is a minus b into a plus b. Clear? Now जैसे x minus 5 cancel हो गया, see 0 by 0 form भी eliminate हो गया. Put the value of x equals to 5, so 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. Or the second method is the formula method. It is better to apply formula method than doing so much steps. Okay, how to apply the formula? You can write 25 as 5 square. See, all the criteria of using this formula is satisfied. Okay, why? How? See, tends to के left में जो x है, 1, 2, 3 तीनों जगह सेम होना चाहिए. tends to के right में जो constant है वो दो जगह सेम होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे ये दो जगह सेम होना चाहिए. माइनस माइनस दोनों का पावर सेम होना चाहिए. Clear? So what is the formula? It is n a to the power n minus 1. So what is the answer? It is 10. Clear? Now question number 2. Have you done number 2? Okay. Okay. See, if I put x equals to minus 2, what is minus 2 whole cube? It is minus 8 plus 8 is how much? 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is how much? 0. So we are finding that when we are putting x equals to minus 2 both in the numerator as well as denominator, we are getting 0 by 0 form. So in order to eliminate this 0 by 0 form, we have to cancel x plus 2. Are you understanding? X plus 2 numerator or denominator में cancel करना पड़ेगा. We have x plus 2 in the denominator, but you don't have x plus 2 in the numerator. So for this you can factorize. But why to follow factorization method if we can express this in formula form? How? Just note down. Can I write 8 as, just note down, plus 8 as minus of minus 2 का whole cube. बिकॉज हम लोग को पता है कि ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के लिए x टेंस टू के बाद जो वैल्यू है वो ये दो जगह सेम होना चाहिए. तो मैं क्या 8 के जगह पे माइनस 2 का होल क्यूब लिख सकता हूं. बिकॉज व्हाट इज माइनस 2 का होल क्यूब? माइनस 2 होल क्यूब इज हाउ मच? minus 8. Clear? And you have minus sign here, so it is minus of minus 8. It is plus 8. Are you understanding, everyone? X plus 2 can be written as x minus of minus 2. All right. Now see, 1 2 3 tens to के बाद 1 2 3 1 2 3 minus minus power दोनों का same है. So what is the answer? It is n, that is 3 into 8 to the power n minus 1. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 3 is 12. Number 4 now. Have you done number 4, everyone? Okay. So how you have done number 4? Tell me. Yes, it's simply formula method you can apply. Now, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सी, जिसको नंबर 4 में डाउट है एक बार देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. It's very simple and just have to apply a simple logic. That is, we are getting, see 1, see ये इसी में आंसर है. देखो x के जगह मैं 1 लगा रहा हूँ तो 1 to the power n. 1 के पावर पे कुछ भी क्या होता है? 1 ही होता है. तो 1 minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. 1 minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. Let us apply the formula. We can write 1 as 1 to the power n. Clear? Because 1 to the power n is equals to 1. 1 to the power anything is 1. So why are we not writing 1 to the power m, 1 to the power 2 or 1 to the power 3? Because to apply this formula, the power should be same. Okay? So what is the answer? It is n a to the power n minus 1. 1 to the power anything is 1. 1 into n is n. Okay? Now next. Now I'll explain you question number 5, which is a bit different. और 5 के बाद मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूं कि तुम लोग कम से कम आगे 5 6 सम्स कर पाएगा. ओके? तो मैं 5 कराता हूं, ध्यान से नोट कर. See, question number 5 from your PDF. Okay? So note down everyone. I want your attention here. See, in this particular sum, we'll be using this formula and one properties I had given last year. What is that property? Limit x tends to a, fx by gx is equal to limit x tends to a, fx divided by limit x tends to a, gx. Did you get my point everyone? See, मैं इस प्रॉपर्टी को लगा सकता हूं, मतलब how to use this property. If you find that न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर पे हम लिमिट अलग अलग लगा सकते हैं, यू कैन गो फॉर दैट, कीपिंग इन माइंड दैट, लिसन हियर, कीपिंग इन माइंड दैट fx and gx both should be in the form 0. मतलब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों क्या होना चाहिए? 0 by 0 होना चाहिए. समझ में आया? तो अब ध्यान से एक बार नोट करना. If I put the value of x equals to 3, what is 3 to the power 5? 3 to the power 4 is 81 and 3 to the power 5 is 243. Minus 243 is 0. 3 ka square is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. See, I know that in order to eliminate 0 by 0 form, I have to cancel this factor x minus 3 both from the numerator as well as denominator. I will not go for factorization method. Clear? I'll simply go for applying this formula. I'll be applying this formula, which is quite simple. How to apply this formula? Just note down. I want your attention here, everyone. Can I write 243 as 3 to the power 5 and 9 as 3 square? अब ध्यान से एक बार नोट करना, ठीक है? ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के लिए, लिसन हियर, ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के लिए पावर को एक बार हाइड करो तो न्यूमरेटर में. पावर को हाइड करने के बाद क्या बचा बताओ तो? x माइनस ए. x माइनस ए उसके डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए फॉर्मूला लगाने के लिए. एक बार आप ध्यान से नोट करना, इसमें अगर मैं पावर हटा दूं, ठीक है, इसमें पावर अगर मैं हटा दूं तो क्या बचा? यस, आंसर क्या बचा? न्यूमरेटर में क्या बचा बताओ? इफ आई हाइड दिस पावर, यस, x माइनस 3. अब देखो ध्यान से, इसके डिनोमिनेटर में अगर x माइनस 3 होता अगर, तो ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर पाते. और ठीक वैसे ही इसका पावर को हटा दो तो क्या बचा? x माइनस 3. इसके भी डिनोमिनेटर में अगर x माइनस 3 होता तो इसमें भी हम ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर पाते. तो मैं क्या करूंगा देखना एक बार. यू ऑल नो दैट एक फ्रैक्शन में मैं न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम क्वांटिटी डिवाइड कर सकता हूं, सेम क्वांटिटी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं हम लोग, बिकॉज एक फ्रैक्शन में हम लोग सेम क्वांटिटी मल्टीप्लाई सेम क्वांटिटी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. तो मैं क्या करूंगा ध्यान देना एक बार. ऐसा लाने के लिए आई विल बी डिवाइडिंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ बाय x minus 3. I'm dividing numerator and denominator both by x minus 3. Okay, now I'll be applying, listening, now I'll be applying limit in the numerator part and limit in the denominator part. Clear? So let us apply limit in the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, now see, just match the expression in the numerator. Is this function for limit x tends to 3 is matching with this formula? Just check once. क्या ये इससे match कर रहा है? Yes. And what is the answer? Tell me n की जगह पे क्या है? 5 है. So what is the answer? N, that is 5, a to the power n minus 1. Denominator में भी formula लगा दो, n a to the power n minus 1. So we have 5 into 3 to the power 4 by 2 into 3. What is 3 to the power 4 by 3? It is 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27. 27 5s are how much? 135 by 2 is the answer. Everyone copy down first the sum, and if you have doubt you can just answer me. Ask your question. Okay? और अगर डाउट नहीं है तो कॉपी करके, और मैं जो सम बोल रहा हूं वो फटाफट अभी करो. एंड द सम्स आर, द क्वेश्चंस आर क्वेश्चन. समझे नहीं क्या बोल रहे हो तुम, तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ में आया। एफ एक्स जैसे हो गया एक फंक्शन और जी एक्स भी हो गया दूसरा फंक्शन, एफ एक्स बाई जी एक्स। एफ एक्स पे हम लोग लिमिट और जी एक्स पे लिमिट हम लोग लगा सकते हैं, यही तो है। अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन आया तो हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं, लिमिट हम लोग एफ एक्स पे और लिमिट हम लोग जी एक्स पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। शर्त ये कि जो एफ एक्स और जी एक्स है वो दोनों क्या होना चाहिए, जीरो जीरो होना चाहिए। मतलब ये खुद में एक जीरो बाई जीरो, ये खुद में जीरो बाई जीरो होना चाहिए। जैसे देखो ये क्या है, देखो जीरो बाई जीरो है, देखो तो एक बार ये एक खुद में एफ एक्स क्या है, जीरो बाई जीरो फॉर्म है। ये जी एक्स देखो, अगर देखो एक फंक्शन देखे तो ये भी जीरो बाई जीरो फॉर्म है, चेक कर लो। See, limit x tends to 3, this is in the form 0 by 0. Limit x tends to 3, this is also in the form 0 by 0. ये चीज ध्यान रखना है बस, और कुछ नहीं। And then you can apply the formula. Now with this everyone, do question number 7. Just a minute, I'm just answering your doubt. Just a minute. 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 11 and number 30. ये सारा सम्स करना है। Yes, answer here. I mean, doubt क्या बोल? Answer. Question. X, you are saying m by n wala, m by n a to the power n minus n. It's, see, actually I don't teach that method because see this is actually the formula which you are talking is the direct formula. I am showing you the derivation. There is only a difference. It's better to do this way, and after you know, you can directly write on the answer. Okay. If there is anyone who has got doubt, you can ask your doubts, no problem. And if you have understood, you copy, understand. I'm giving you time. कोई जल्दीबाजी नहीं है, ये सारा समझ करो। मेरा इंटेंशन जितना मैं करा रहा हूँ सबको समझ में आना चाहिए, जल्दीबाजी में मैं एकदम नहीं हूँ। कोई मेरा टारगेट नहीं है, मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, मेरा वैसा कोई होता नहीं है कि मैं आज इतना तक ही कराऊंगा। मैं कम भी करा सकता हूँ, ज्यादा भी कर सकता हूँ, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द बैच कि तुम लोग कितना आज ले पाएगा। सो दैट्स व्हाई मेक श्योर दैट whatever doubts you have, you must clear your doubts. Yes, I'll explain once again. See, first of all, if I check like in the first step, I'm finding that if I put the value of x equals to 3, 3 to the power 5 is how much? 243. 243 minus 243 is what? 0. Again, 3 ka square is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. So you are getting 0 by 0 form. So, okay, we have got several options like factorization method. We can rationalize का कोई सवाल ही नहीं है क्योंकि root नहीं है. We can go for formula method or we can apply factorization method. Now, as far as 5 in numerator part, so I thought of not to factorize. I thought it's better we apply formula. But again, formula apply करने के लिए, if I ignore this power part, देखो इस power को अगर मैं हटा दूं n को, तो जो expression बच रहा है numerator में, that should be exactly present in the denominator. Clear? Keeping in mind this two things, that is x should be on the left hand side of tens to, a should be on the right hand side of tens to. These are the things which you have to keep in mind. So what I did is I've written 243 as 3 to the power 5, 9 as 3 square. Then what I thought is कि अगर मैं पावर हटा दूं तो x minus 3 बचना चाहिए इसके डिनोमिनेटर में, लेकिन नहीं है, या तो x square minus 3 square है। कि फाइन, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसको और इसको मैं दोनों को डिवाइड तो कर ही सकता हूँ। क्यों? अगर डिवाइड करने से क्या फायदा होगा, इसका भी पावर अगर हटा दो, देखो x minus 3 इसके डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाए तो ये फॉर्मूला लग जाएगा। क्लियर? तो मैंने क्या सोचा कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को x minus 3 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं। क्लियर? उसके बाद लिमिट इस पे और लिमिट इस पे अलग अलग अप्लाई कर दो। अप्लाई फॉर्मूला इन दिस, दैट इज n a to the power n minus 1, n a to the power n minus 1. Just simplify calculation. After calculation, you get 135/2. Is this clear? And after this, question number 7, 8, 9, 11, and 13. Hurry. 7 का आंसर करो, तुम लोग करो, मैं बता दूंगा। 7 का आंसर होगा 10। Yeah, it's 64. Answer of question number 7 is 64, okay? Answer of question number 8 is m by n. Answer of question number 9 is 3 by 2. Nine by 2. Answer of question number 11 is 3 by 2 a plus 2 whole to the power half. Answer of question number 13 is n. Now, is there anyone who has got doubt in number 7? Anyone here? किसी को number 7 में doubt है? Anyone? Anyone here? 7 में नहीं है. 7, shall I move ahead? If you have doubt in number 7, anyone? 7. So can you just tell me what is your doubt? How you have done? Just you unmute yourself and so that we can discuss and your doubt will be clear. Just tell me what you have done. What you are not able to understand. Tell me. Okay. So, acha, have you understood? 5 you understood. Okay. So number 7 देखना एक बार. We have x tends to 2, x to the power 10 minus 1024 by x to the power 5 minus 32. If I put the value of x equals to 2, 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Find out the reserve value. I'm multiplying to 10 times, you get 1024. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. So, okay, fine. Like what we are going to do now is, as we saw that it is in the form 0 by 0, let us write 1024 as 2 to the power 10. 32 as 2 to the power 5. Okay, next. See, now if you see, it is exactly the same as we have done in the previous question. The same logic, same concept we have to apply here. Eliminate the power. What is left? X minus 2. In order to apply this formula, x minus 2 should be present in the denominator of this expression, and which you don't have here, x minus 2. If you eliminate this power, again x minus 2 should be present in the denominator. So what we have to do in the sum is, let us divide numerator and denominator both by x minus 2. Let us divide numerator and denominator both by x minus 2. Then let us apply limit to the numerator and denominator separately by applying this property. Now let us apply the formula. The formula is n, that is 10. Clear? into a to the power n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1. Let us apply formula in the denominator as well, the same formula. That is 5 into 2 to the power 5 minus 1. 5 2 are 10, 2 to the power 9 by 2 to the power 4. What is 2 to the power 9 by 2 to the power 4? It is 2 to the power 5. What is 2 to the power 5 into 2? It is 64. So 64 is the answer. Okay. Now question number 8. Anyone is having any doubt in number 8? See, number 8 is exactly same as again number 7 and number 5. It is the same है number 8. फिर भी एक बार ट्राई करो, जिसको नंबर 8 होगा मैं बता दूंगा. ठीक है, एक सेकंड 11 बता रहा हूँ. Question number 8. See, question number 8 and number 7, logic is exactly same. I'll just show you a simple example. Just note down. If at the place of 2, if I give 1, note down. Just note down. Just see, compare this sum and number 8. I want that you understand this sum properly and you try number 8 yourself, okay? Just note down here, everyone. एक बार ना इस सम को ध्यान से देखो तुम लोग. अगर मान लो मैं यहाँ पे x की जगह पे 1 लगाता हूँ, तो 1 to the power 10 is 1 multiplied any number of times is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 to the power 5 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. Okay. So as we are getting 0 by 0 form, okay, we have to now solve it by either formula method, factorization, rationalize. Rationalize is not possible because you don't have root. So we can go for formula method because factorization will become very difficult. Factorization ये वाला सम वैसे बहुत easy हो जाएगा, but मैं यहाँ पे formula लगा के तुमको बताता हूँ कैसे देखना है. See, I can write this 1 as 1 to the power 10 because 1 to the power anything is 1 itself. But why I'm writing 10? Why not other numbers? Because the power of x here is 10. जो यहाँ पे power है यहाँ पे भी same power होना चाहिए. Same way यहाँ पे we can write 1 as 1 to the power 5 because you have x to the power 5. Now in order to apply this formula, if you ignore the power part, power को अगर हम हटा दें तो जो expression है वो denominator में होना चाहिए. x minus 1 denominator में होना चाहिए, नहीं है. So let us divide numerator and denominator by x minus 1. Okay. Now let us apply formula here, which is n a to the power n minus 1. N a to the power n minus 1. 1 to the power anything is 1. What is 10 by 5? It is 2. Same thing you have to do in question number 8 as well. In question number 8, the only difference is you don't have 10, you don't have 5, you have m and n. Apply to the same way. I think जिसका नहीं हुआ होगा, I think now you'll be able to try number 8. Complete first. Still, if you're not able to understand and complete number 8, I'll explain, don't worry, but try first using the same concept, same logic. Acha, everyone has done number 8. Is there anyone who has got doubt in number 8 now? Anyone? Yes? Anyone has got doubt in number 8? Number 9? I think you have doubt in number 9. I think. बहुत लोग को doubt है 9. मैं 9 बताता हूँ. See, question number 9. See, if I put the value of x equals to 9, we have to check first. So just see, while you are putting the value, you will understand many things there only. there वहाँ पे बहुत सारा hint मिल जाएगा तुमको. जब हम लोग x का वैल्यू 9 पुट करें, देखो एक बार 9 to the power 3/2. ध्यान से एक बार नोट करना, 9 to the power 3/2 can be written as 3 square to the power 3/2. You know that power gets multiplied. So what is 2 into 3/2? It is 3 to the power 3. What is 3 to the power 3? It is 27. What is 27 minus 27? 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. You are getting 0 by 0 form. So as you are getting 0 by 0 form, now you have to solve it by formula method or factorization method. But you can clearly apply formula. But in order to apply formula, tends to के लेफ्ट में जो है x, ये दो जगह सेम होना चाहिए, और टेंस टू के जगह पे जो a है, ये दो जगह सेम होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे माइनस होना चाहिए और दोनों का पावर सेम होना चाहिए. तो मैं ये फॉर्मूला लगा सकता हूँ, अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. जस्ट नोट डाउन. सी, यू हैव x, x, x सेम है. यू हैव 9, जस्ट नोट डाउन 9, 9. यहाँ पे भी 9 टू द पावर होना चाहिए. 9 टू द पावर क्या होना चाहिए बताओ तो? फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के लिए 9 के पावर पे क्या होना चाहिए बताओ, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाइएगा. a के पावर पे वेरी सिंपल, देखो a टू द पावर n है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे x टू द पावर n है तो ये a टू द पावर n होना चाहिए, a टू द पावर n होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे 27 क्या होना चाहिए? 9 टू द पावर 3/2. नाउ चेक whether 9 to the power 3/2 is equal to 27. Yes, check once. 9 to the power 3/2 is same as 27. It means that at the place of 27, I can write 9 to the power 3/2. I repeat once again. I have seen by putting the value of x equals to 9. 9 is 3 square, power gets multiplied. So 2 into 3/2, 2 to cancel हो गया. 3 के पावर पे 3 बच गया, which is 27. So 0 by 0 फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला लगाने के लिए मैंने बोला 1, 2 और 3, 3 से होना चाहिए. ये टेंस टू के राइट में जो है वैल्यू वो 1, 2 और इधर भी सेम होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे 9 के पावर पे क्या होना चाहिए? a के पावर पे n होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे 9 के पावर पे 3/2. क्या 9 के पावर पे 3/2 लिख सकते हैं हम 27 की जगह पे? Yes, because 27 is same as 9 to the power 3/2. Now let us apply the formula, and the formula is n, that is 3/2 into a to the power n minus 1. Three by 2 minus 1 is how much? Half. What is 9 to the power half? 9 to the power half is 3 square to the power half. Power gets multiplied 3. So 9 to the power half is 3. And what is 3 into 3? 9. So answer is 9 by 2. So this is the answer of question number 9. Okay. Now try, see 11 में भी बहुत लोग का doubt होगा, I know that. 11 नंबर मुझे बताना पड़ेगा. Okay. I know that you तुमने सम कंप्लीट कर लिया, लेकिन कुछ चीज है जो तुमने ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो मैं एक बार बताऊंगा नंबर 11. Copy down this. Now, question number 11. Now, see question number 11, everyone. See, everyone, if I put the value of x equals to a here, see, a, if I put, what is a plus 2 to the power 3 by 2? It is a plus 2 to the power 3 by 2 itself, minus a plus 2 to the power 3 by 2. What is difference of both these terms? It is 0. By a minus a is how much? 0. So you are getting 0 by 0 form. But ध्यान से note करना. If I ignore the power, अगर मैं numerator में power को हटा दूं, so the expression which is left in the numerator should be present as it is in the denominator. Make sure. Now, can anyone give me the hint कि क्या करना चाहिए इस समय? Anyone? In order to apply this formula, क्या करना चाहिए इसमें? कुछ changes करना. Very good, absolutely correct. See, just listen here very carefully. In order to apply the formula, if I remove this power, what is the expression left? It is x plus 2 minus of a plus 2. This expression should be present exactly the same way after eliminating the power in the denominator. Please make sure that you keep your, make sure that while you are at home, make sure that you keep your device in silent mode, mute mode, because most of the times I find, please keep your device in mute mode, everyone. See, so after eliminating the power, okay, the expression left in the numerator should be present exactly the same way after elimination, okay, in the denominator, okay, मतलब exactly यही same चीज denominator में होना चाहिए. Now let us simplify this. 2 gets cancelled. What is left? X minus a. It means that x minus a is same as x plus 2 minus of a plus 2. मतलब ये दोनों exactly same है. देखो ये दोनों same है. How do I know? Because if I ignore the, if I eliminate this bracket, we are finding that 2 gets cancelled. And what is left? X minus a. It means that x minus a is same as x plus 2 minus of a plus 2. So what to do? How to solve this sum? In order to solve this sum, let us write in the denominator at the place of x minus a, x plus 2 minus of a plus 2, because x plus 2 minus of a plus 2 is same as x minus a. मतलब मैं x minus a की जगह पे ये लिख सकता हूँ. नेक्स्ट, अभी बहुत सारा और चीज बाकी है. क्या बाकी है? x should be present on the left hand side of tends to, and a should be present on the right hand side of tends to. It means x plus 2 should be present on the left hand side of tends to, and a plus 2 should be present on the right hand side of tends to. देखो ये चीज tends to के लेफ्ट में होना चाहिए और ये चीज tends to के राइट में होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे नहीं है. यहाँ पे x tends to a. तुम लोग क्या करेंगे? ध्यान देना एक बार. Anyone who can tell me क्या करना चाहिए कि ये आ जाए? बताओ तो. x plus 2 tends to a plus 2, यहाँ पे क्या करना चाहिए? कोई बता सकता है? Yes. In order to let us add to both the sides. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll add to both the sides, because as we do in equation, the same thing, the same operation is can be done here in this implies, ये जो tends to कि हम लोग either side में हम लोग same operation कर सकते हैं. That is, we can add same quantities both the sides, we can subtract same quantity both the sides, we can multiply same quantity both the sides. So what I'm doing, I'm adding plus to both the sides. Now let us apply the formula, and the formula is n, that is 3 by 2, a plus 2 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. Simplify this, you will get the answer. Okay.